In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to rotate a video in CapCut using some straightforward steps. Whether you're looking to tweak the orientation for aesthetic reasons or simply need to correct the angle, this guide has got you covered. CapCut offers an intuitive interface that makes editing both fun and effective. Let's dive right in. First things first, ensure that you've imported your video into the timeline. This is your workspace, where all the magic happens. On the timeline, simply click to select the video clip you want to adjust. This selection is crucial because it tells CapCut that this is the specific clip you want to work on. You'll know it's selected when a thin border highlights the video on your timeline. Once your video is selected, turn your attention to the right panel, where you'll see various editing options. We're focusing on the basics section for this task. Here you'll find a tool labeled Rotation. It's a slider bar that lets you rotate your video, providing an easy way to make the necessary adjustments. By dragging the rotation slider left or right, you'll start to see your video rotate in real time. This functionality gives you immediate visual feedback, which is great for achieving just the right look you're aiming for. You can rotate the video to fit your needs, whether it's a small tilt or a complete flip. Now, if you're looking for a bit more precision in your rotations, CapCut has an excellent feature for that. Simply hold down the Shift key while you adjust the rotation slider. Holding Shift gives you finer control over the angle, ensuring that you can set your video to exactly the right degree. This is particularly useful if your project demands exact angles or if you're aligning multiple clips for consistency. To ensure everything is just right, always preview your video before finalizing the edit. This allows you to see how these changes play out in the context of your whole timeline. If it needs a bit of tweaking, just go back and adjust the rotation slider until it's perfect. And there you have it. Changing the orientation of your video in CapCut is just that simple. Remember, practice makes perfect. Don't hesitate to play around with these features to get a feel for what they can do. CapCut's user-friendly interface is designed to accommodate both beginners and experienced editors alike, making video adjustment tasks like these a breeze. So go ahead, give your video the perfect angle it deserves. Happy editing!